This is a great question. It is normal to be nervous about getting a dental implant. The idea of having surgery can make anybody apprehensive. However, dental implant surgery is not as scary as it sounds. By itself, dental implant surgery is minimally invasive. The amount of cutting and drilling that is required is actually quite small. For a single tooth, the procedure can take as little as 25 minutes, and you will be totally numb for the entire thing. In fact, the pain is so minimal that any discomfort can usually be managed with just some over-the-counter ibuprofen or tylenol. However, you have undoubtedly heard of dental implant horror stories. These horror stories usually come from situations in which things are not properly set up. If a doctor is trying to accomplish too much in one appointment, it can lead to more complicated situations and can sometimes lead to unforeseen circumstances. For example, if a doctor wants to pull a tooth, do so significant bone grafting, and put a tooth immediately on the implant, you can see how this can make things complicated. These are a lot of complex things that all need to be executed perfectly in order to lead to a predictable outcome for the patient. That's why, at Just Implants, we keep things streamlined and simple. We use the same high-quality parts and do the procedures largely in the same predictable manner. That way there are no surprises. Lastly, if a procedure involves large bone grafting, you can expect that it will be a bit more painful of a recovery process. This is the case if you have bone that is very thin that needs to be built up before receiving a dental implant.